Hello friends, in this class I am going to demonstrate how to find squares in seconds. So this will be very helpful in all the competitive examination to save the time. So I am going to take the number 96. This 96 is less than the base number 100. Why I am taking 100? This 96 is very closer to 100 but it is less than 100 by 4. In the first step, I am computing the square of 4. The square of 4 is 16. Next, I am moving to second step. The same number 96, I have to deduct 4. So what is the answer? 92. Why I am deducting 96 with the 4? It is less than 100 by 4. So that's the reason why I am deducting 96 with 4. So now in order to get the answer, I am joining step 1 and step 2. So what is the answer for 96 square? 9216. So for your better understanding, I am doing one more example. I am computing square for 192. So in the same way as we did in the previous example, this 192 is closer with the base number 200, but it is less than 200 by 8. So we have to find the square of 8. The answer is 64. So this is the first step. In the next step, we have to deduct the number 192 by 8. Why we are deducting the number by 8? This 192 is less than 200 by 8. So that's the reason why we are deducting the number with 8. So what is the answer? 184. But in this case, we have to multiply this 182 with 2. Why? Our base number is 200. So it contains 200s. So that's the reason why we have to multiply this 184 with 2. So what is the answer? 368. Now we have to join the step 1 with the step 2. So the answer for 192 square is 36864. So now I'm going for third example. I'm computing the square for 506. See, the base number for 500 is 500. It is very closer with 500. But this 506 is greater than 500. It is greater than, kindly listen, this 506 is greater than 500 by 6. So what is the square of 6? We are finding square. So what is the square of 6? 36. This is the first step. The next step, this 506 is greater than 500 by 6. It is greater. So that's the reason why I have to add 6 with 506. So in the previous example, I am deducting the number. The reason is that number is lesser than with the base number. But in this example, uh, our number is greater than the base number 500. So that's the reason why I am adding 506 with 6. So the answer is 512. In the next step, I have to multiply the result with the 5. Why I am multiplying the 512 with the 5? The reason is our base 100, our base number 500 has 500s, right? It has 500s. 5 into 100, 500. So that's the reason why I am multiplying 512 with the 5. So what is the answer? 512 into 5. So it is 2560. Now I'm adding the first step with the second step. I'm joining the first step with the second step as we did in the previous example. So what is the answer for 506 square? The answer is 256036. So in this way, you can find the square of any numbers. Hope these examples will help you in your competitive examination.